வணக்கம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இது உங்கள் நேத்ரன் டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி. இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா 8th நியூ புக் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸில் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி போர்ஷனுடைய புக் பேக் மட்டும் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ யூனிட் 5 எஜுகேஷனல் டெவலப்மெண்ட் இன் இந்தியா. So the first question, the word Veda is derived from Sanskrit. And second question, which of the following was an important center for the learning in the ancient period? Gurukula. And third one, Nalanda, the oldest university in India, was located in Bihar. And when did the UNESCO declare Takshashila as World Heritage Site? 1980. And which European country were the first to start modern system of education in India? So Portuguese. Which of the following Charter Act made a provision for an annual grant 1 lakh rupees for the promotion of education in India? Charter Act of 1813. So 7th question, which of the following commission recommended to constitute the University Grants Commission? Radhakrishnan Commission, 1948. And in which year the new education policy was introduced in India? 1986. அடுத்து fill in the blanks கேட்குறாங்க. The word Veda means to know. And Takshashila ruins were discovered by Alexander Cunningham. And Dash was the first rural to establish a madrasa at Delhi. யாருன்னா இல்துமிஷ். The new education policy was revised in 1992. And DAS is the primary vehicle for implementing the provision of the Right to Education Act of 2009. So SSA, Sarva Shikshan Abhiyan. And midday meal program was introduced in schools in 1956. Match the following கேட்குறாங்க. There's a first scene and Francis Xavier, Woods Dispatch and Sarkozy 2 and Sir Thomas Munro. So the first thing, Chinese scholar, and second Francis Xavier, University at Cochin, and Woods Dispatch, Magna Carta of Indian Education, and Sarabhoji 2, Saraswati Mahal, and Sir Thomas Munro, Western Education in Madras. And true or false? So the first one, the writings of the Saraha and Chusruta were the sources of the learning of medicine. Sari. So temples were the centers of learning and played an active role in the promotion of knowledge. It's the right one. The third one, the Jataka tells us that the kings and society took an active interest in promoting education. சரிங்கிறாங்க. At the fourth one, women education in India was not prevalent during the medieval period. தவறு. And fifth one, the RMSA scheme was implemented during 10th 5-year plan அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. இது தப்பு. ஏன்னா 11வது ஐந்தாண்டு திட்டத்தில் தான் அதை இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணாங்க. அடுத்து அப்ராப்ரியேட் ஆன்சர் டிக் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. that Nalanda University was founded in 5th century CE. and second, ancient India teachers had completed autonomy in all aspect from selection of students to designing their syllabi. And third one, in ancient times the teacher was called Kanakayar. And fourth one, the famous college during the Chola period was Gandalur Salai. So answer 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Fourth one is wrong. Find the correct pair கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ மக்தாப்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆப்ரேஷன் பிளாக்போர்ட் சாலபோகம் இதெல்லாம் தவறுணும். ஸோ மெக்காலே மினிட்ஸ் ஆஃப் 1835 இங்கிலீஷ் எஜுகேஷன் அப்படிங்கிறதான் கரெக்ட் பேர் அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. ஸோ அடுத்த லெசனுக்கு. ஸோ யூனிட் 6, டெவலப்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் இன் இந்தியா. So the first question, which of the following activities of the people will not come under handicraft? So the smelting of iron. The oldest industry in India was dash industry. So textile industry na old industry அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. The woolen and leather factories became prominent in Kanpur. What was the aim of first 3 5-year plans of India? To build a strong industrial base. What was not the reason for the decline of Indian industries? So industrial policy of India. And fill in the blanks. Dash was the integral part in the life of the people. So handicraft. And second one is industrial revolution took place in England. The Assam Tea Company was founded in 1839. And fourth question, jute industry was started in Hooghly Valley at Rishra near Calcutta. And fifth one is Suez Canal shortened the distance between the Europe and India. Then match the following: Tavernier, Dhaka, Dadabhai Naoroji, Polycan, Smith. So Tavernier என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா French traveler அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. டாக்கா muslin, and Dadabhai Naoroji drying theory, and Polycanch paper mill, Smith artisan. True or false? India was famous for cotton and silk clothes. It is a right one. And the railway was introduced in India by the British. It is a right one. Steel was the first manufactured by modern methods at Jamshedpur. இது தவறான ஒரு பாயிண்ட். அண்ட் த இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் பாலிசி ஆஃப் 1948 brought mixed economy in industrial sector. இது வந்து ரைட் ஒன். அண்ட் த 10th and 11th 5-year plans witnessed a high growth rate of agriculture protection அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. இதுவும் தவறு. அடுத்து appropriate answer சரியானதை வந்து டிக் அடிக்க சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ which of the following statements are correct? According to Edward Baines, the birthplace of cotton manufacturer is in England. Before mechanized industry handicrafts was the second largest source of employment in rural India. The third one, Saurashtra was known for tin industry. Construction of Suez Canal made the British goods cheaper in India அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. ஸோ செகண்ட் அண்ட் ஃபோர்த் ஆப்ஷன் ஆர் கரெக்ட். And assertion reason. So assertion, Indian handicrafts collapsed under the colonial rule, and reason, British made India as the producer of raw materials and markets for their finished products. So A is correct, R is the correct explanation of A அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. which one of the following is wrongly matched? So economic liberalization 1980 தான் wrong one அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. ஏன்னா எக்கனாமிக் லிபரலைசேஷன் வந்து நடந்தது 1991. And 7th lesson, unit 7, urban changes during the British period. So the first question, ancient towns are Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Coastal towns developed by the British were Surat, Goa, Bombay, all of these. And third one, a new trend of urbanization began in the later half of the 19th century as the result of opening of Suez Canal, introduction of steam navigation, construction of railways. All of the above the correct answer. The British arrived India for trading, and Fort St. George was constructed by the British in Madras. Which of the following port was the East India Company's principal settlement until 1774? Fort St. George. And fill in the blanks. The network of railroads in India was introduced in 1853, and Lord Ripon rightly regarded as the father of local self-government in India. The Government of India Act of 1919 introduced hierarchy in the provinces, and Sir Josiah Child was responsible for the formation of the corporation. Francis Day and Andrew Cohen got permission to establish a factory cum trading post at Madras Pattinam in 1639. So match the following. Bombay cantonment towns Kedarnath, Darjeeling, Madurai. So Bombay 7 is land, cantonment towns Kanpur, Kedarnath religious centers, and Darjeeling hill stations, Madurai ancient town. So true or false anu கேக்குறாங்க. The towns flourished since prehistoric times in India, and இது வந்து சரிங்கறாங்க. So the second வந்து British acquired political control after the Battle of Plassey. It is also right one. For William is in Madras, so it is a wrong one. Army people began to live in cantonments. It is also right. Madras was officially renamed as Chennai in 1998. ஸோ இதுவும் தவறு அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. அடுத்து வந்து assertion reason. So assertion, India became the agricultural colony of Britain. Reason, the one-way free trade policy followed by British and the industrial revolution destroyed Indian indigenous industries அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. ஸோ இது ரெண்டுமே கரெக்ட். ஸோ A is correct and R explains A. And then which of the following statements is not true அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. நாட் ட்ரூன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ இது தவறானதுங்கிறத செலக்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸ்ரீரங்கராயலு gave the English the grant of Madras Pattinam, and Day and Cohen were jointly responsible for the construction of Fort St. George, and in 1969 the state of Madras was registered as Tamil Nadu. So the first ஒன்று தான் தவறு அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. மற்ற செகண்ட் அண்ட் 3 கரெக்டு. ஸோ அஷர்சன் ஏ வந்து பிரிட்டிஷ் பில்ட் அப் தேர் ஆல்டர்னேட்டிவ் கேபிட்டல்ஸ் இன் ஹில்லி ஏரியாஸ். ஸோ ரீசன், தே ஃபவுண்ட் த இந்தியன் சம்மர் இன்ஹாஸ்பிட்டபிள் அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. ஸோ வந்து ஹில் ஸ்டேஷனில் கோடை காலங்களில் இந்தியாவில் இருக்க முடியாது அப்படிங்கிறத அவங்க வந்து உணர்ந்துக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ அதனால் போயிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஏ இஸ் கரெக்ட் அண்ட் ஆர் எக்ஸ்பிளைன்ஸு ஏ அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. அடுத்து so unit 8, status of women in India through the ages. So the first question, dash society is the constantly changing with addition, assimilation and omissions from within the outside. So human society. Second question, the first woman doctor in India was Muthulakshmi Ammayar. And third one, the practice of sati was abolished in 1829. B.M. Malabari was a journalist. And fifth one is, which of the following was the reform movements? So Brahma Samaj, Prarthana Samaj, ஆரிய சமாஜ். ஸோ ஆல் ஆஃப் தி அபவ் எல்லாமே வந்து ஒரு ரிஃபார்ம், ஒரு சீர்திருத்த இயக்கங்கள் தான் அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. Then sixth question, the Pedun school was founded in dash by J.E.D. Pedun, so 1849. Which commission recommended to start primary schools for girls in 1882? The Hunter Commission. And eighth question, Sarada's child marriage bill fixing the minimum marriageable age for girls at 14. And filling in the blanks, so dash society was set up by the Christian missionaries in 1819, so the Calcutta Female Juvenile Society. And Velu Nachiyar of Sivaganga fought bravely against the British. The third one, Servants of India Society was started by Gopala Krishna Gokhale, and dash was the one of the greatest social reformer of Tamil Nadu, Periyar. And Kandukuri Veeraselingam published a journal called Viveka Vardhini. Match the following: Theosophical Society and Sarada Southern, Woods Dispatch, Niccolo Conti, Dowry. Theosophical Society, Annie Pesant, Sarada Southern, Pandita Ramabai, and Woods Dispatch, 1854. Niccolo di Gondi, Italian traveler, and Dowry, social evil. True or false? So women were honored in Rigvedic period. It is a right. Devadasi system was a social evil. It is also right. Rajaram Mohan Rai was the pioneer of Indian social reform movement. It is also right. Reservation of 23% to women envisaged an improvement in the socio-political status of women. It is a wrong one. The age of marriage was raised for boys and girls by the Sharada Act of 1930. It is also right one. And choose the correct pair கேட்குறாங்க. So the first pair வந்து Women's University Professor D.K. Carve. ஸோ இதுவே கரெக்டான பேர் தான். அடுத்து செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் வந்து ஃபைண்ட் த ஓட் ஒன் out. So child marriage, Sati, Devadasi system, and widow remarriage. So widow remarriage, it is a right one. Consider the following statements. Begum Hazrat Mahal Rani Lakshmi Bai led an armed revolt against the British. Velu Nachiyar of Sivaganga, Tamil Nadu fought bravely against the British. So which of the following given above are correct? So the first and second, this is the correct options. The assertion, Rajaram Mohan Rai is most remembered by all Indians, and reason, he wiped out the evil practice of sati from the Indian society. So A is the correct, and R explains A. Option C is the correct one. So okay, thank you.